feel so sleepy, but today I have a homework, but I can't do that because I don't understand this equivalent decimals, what is meaning. I am so scared. Let's learn and continue watch our class.
Hi! Today we're going to learn about equivalent decimals.
That's why I'm scared.
Before you may be confused about equivalent decimals, just like the bear next to me.
You can be sure you're also confused.
But after the class, you would be all understand with smiley faces.
Oh, I don't think so.
So if you doubt it, just carefully watch and let the magic begin.
I'll try my best.
Equivalent. First, you need to learn what is equivalent.
Mm-hmm.
Equivalent means equal to or having the same effect as something else. Equivalent expressions are expressions that work the same even though they look different. A mile is equivalent to about 1.6 kilometers.
But this is just number one. What is meaning that?
It's like value.
Oh, the same value. Sorry. Okay.
A mile is bigger than 1 kilometer. So a mile is about 1.6 kilometers.
Oh, okay.
So 1 mile and 1 kilometer doesn't have the same value. That's why they say 1.6 kilometers is big as a mile. He is doing that equivalent job in the new company, but for more money.
But I earn more money. Why it is equivalent?
It's like having the same job, but earning more money.
Oh, this means equivalent job. Same job, but earning more money. Oh, okay.
Get to pay more.
Jobs are same value, but the money is not the same value.
Oh, understand. Thank you, teacher.
This is the equivalent fractions of 2 over 5, 4 over 10, 6 over 15, 8 over 20, 10 over 25.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
An equivalent fraction of 2/3 is 16/24.
Oh.
We have our first question.
Oh.
Hey Bear, would you like to come here and volunteer?
I rather the choice. I would like to listen.
Okay. First, we have this woman and this man.
Ah.
0.6.
And
0.06. You see that this me has a 0 inside 0.06.
who is another one, teacher? Oh. Okay, continue.
And 0.6 has no 0. This woman doesn't have a 0. So this man's value is less than this woman's value.
Why?
It's because 0 is there. The 6 is come before 0 come before 6 came.
So because the numerator is smaller than the number in the denominator.
Anyways, this time, do you know what 0 is in? 0 is in the place that he matter.
Okay.
And since this woman doesn't have any 0, so there's nothing can affect it to her value. So they are not equivalent.
Okay.
Because the number in the numerator is smaller than the number in the denominator, you have to place the decimal point after it and zeros. Add zeros. They're complete long division.
Okay. Number
Now
2.
the 1.75 and 1.750. Since we already know the last answers, last question's answer, why don't somebody check? So why don't somebody come and volunteer?
I think is that
Same.
they are not equivalent because there's another one is greater than first one.
No.
It's not greater.
Why?
You know that this time 1.75, you say it's smaller, right?
Yeah, I think so.
0 is behind the curtains,
Yeah.
Oh.
and there it is without the curtains. So they are equal. It's like an invisible 0 and a visible 0.
Oh.
If you make it to fractions, then they're the same thing. You could just check it.
Oh, for example, 1 over the 75 or 75 over the 1. Why, what this means?
To find the decimal equivalent of a fraction, divide the number by the denominator.
So we will understand they are equivalent or not. Oh, thank you, teacher. I'll try.
Okay. Now do you see they are equal?
Yeah, looks like it is. Thank you, teacher.
Anyways,
I am really happy that I really understand. Very clear. Love you.
okay, goodbye everybody.
Bye, teacher.